Thank you very much. Shri K.J. Jawa, Chairman and Managing Director, Daikin, India. Mr. Ravindra Sanareddy, Managing Director, Sri City. Mr. Naoki Nishioka, Executive Vice President of Fujita Corporation. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I'm very pleased to join you today to celebrate another big step for Daikin India, as well as the economic partnership between Japan and India. Last month, as Jawa-san just mentioned, Prime Minister Kishida visited India and held a summit meeting with Honorable Prime Minister Modi. The joint statement issued after the summit meeting includes a number of important economic takeaways to further enhance our economic ties. The biggest announcement that came from the meeting was, in my view, the shared intention of the leaders to realize a public-private investment and financing of 5 trillion Japanese yen, which amounts to approximately 3 lakh crore rupees from Japan to India for the next 5 years. And today, we are celebrating the first contribution that Daikin India has made towards the attainment of this ambitious goal. So on behalf of the government of Japan, let me thank you all for this significant step forward. In fact, Daikin India has contributed significantly to the build-up of India's manufacturing sector and its capacity by nurturing skilled workers, skilled engineers, and creating a rich network of component suppliers in India for more than 20 years. Daikin's expansion to southern India will further allow them to serve not only the people in India, but also for the people of Asia and Africa as well. I take this opportunity to thank the state of government of Andhra Pradesh and the government of India for the excellent support they have extended to make this contribution possible. Looking back to a year ago, when we were in the midst of a second wave of COVID-19, I remember that many Japanese companies were faced with challenges in keeping up the day-to-day business operations. I would like to pay sincere respect to all of you present here for having overcome these challenges and making today's event possible. This year marks the 70th anniversary of the establishment of Japan-India diplomatic relations. On this auspicious occasion, our Prime Minister mentioned that he looks forward to opening a new chapter for our economic relationship through the cooperation between the public and private sectors. So in closing, I wish Daikin India all the success in the future endeavors and wish the participants all the best. Thank you very much.